Every time you land on AppSumo's homepage, it quietly hands you a 10% discount code, but only if you know where to grab it. Here's exactly how it works live on screen. As soon as you visit AppSumo.com, this pop-up shows up, get 10% off your first purchase. You just drop in your email and hit unlock my 10%. That's it. No code to search for, no coupon site needed. It comes straight from AppSumo. Now here's the part most people skip. The fine print under the button. It says first time customers only, one-time use, and it cannot be combined with other discounts. So this is your welcome discount. Use it on your very first order, because after that, it won't work again. After you submit your email, AppSumo sends the actual 10% code to your inbox. Copy it, then head to whichever deal you want from the top 9 deals or the full catalog. Apply it at checkout the same way in the apply a coupon box, or skip the manual part completely. I've already got the discount link in the description below. It auto applies the 10% for you the moment you click it. No code to copy or paste. That's the fastest way to get it. So that's the real working AppSumo 10% off, straight from their own homepage, not some random expired coupon code. Grab the link in the description, it auto applies at checkout. See you in the next video.